Holding a winning LEAPS call until expiration is actually a mathematical error that deletes up to 40% of your potential compound returns. Most traders treat LEAPS like stocks, but options have a shelf life. The Theta curve reveals that decay accelerates exponentially in the final 90 days. If you don't roll before this drop, you are voluntarily burning equity. Here is the trap. Amateur traders just roll the date forward, paying a huge debit. But smart money rolls the strike up as the stock rises. By moving your strike closer to the current price while extending time, you extract cash now. However, there is a specific limit. If you roll your strike too high, your delta drops below 70, and you lose the stock replacement behavior. You must maintain the golden delta zone to keep your leverage intact. So, when do you execute? Never wait for the final month. The optimal window is strictly defined. Roll when the position hits 50% profit or when you are 6 to 9 months from expiration. This keeps you permanently ahead of the decay curve. Mastering this creates perpetual exposure. By consistently rolling up and out for net credits, you eventually drive your cost basis to zero. You are effectively controlling hundreds of shares of high-growth tech stocks for free. Stop renting time. Start compounding your leverage.